Do you want to learn SQL? Well, here's 7 best SQL courses online, free, plus paid. First course, SQL for NEWBS by Udemy. This course is for data scientists, marketers, and business folks. Topics covered in this course are Intro to MySQL, Basic Queries, Level 2 Concepts. You will learn the behavior analysis of users. You will learn how to find actionable customers or business insights. You will learn how to make data-driven decisions. You will learn how to measure and track marketing efforts. You will learn how to discover sexy marketing stats. Marketers, startup and non-technical folks, aspiring data analysts, job seekers, and more can take this course. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Learn SQL in 6 days by Udemy. This course will drill you in SQL and will help you in handling databases confidently. Topics covered in this course are database basics and schema, managing databases and tables, populating data, retrieving data, functions, and creating subtotals, subqueries, bonus exercises. You will learn what is database, tables, set of tables, primary and foreign keys, and much more. How to create databases, tables, and foreign keys. You will learn arithmetic operations and expressions, comparison operators and simple conditions, and logical operators and operator precedence. You will learn about selecting specific columns, distinct columns, and sorting of data. You learn about many functions, like string, mathematical and data functions. You will learn about making individual utilizing and writing data retrieval statements. The technology professionals, candidates, and sectors, like computer science or information technology, can follow this course. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, the Complete SQL and MySQL course by Udemy. The range of this course is from beginners to experts. This course will help you in clearing the basics, transactions, views, pages, and stored procedures. Topics covered in this course are environment, database theory and normalization, table manipulation, basic SQL, multiple tables and joining, advanced SQL, subqueries, transaction, views, indexes, and constraints, optimization. Key things that you are going to learn are as follows. In this course you will learn the basics of database courses. With this course you can get a hold on SQL and MySQL. You learn about the database management system, and about its language. You will understand the procedure of table manipulation. You will understand and know about pages, views, and stored procedures. You will understand B trees and B plus trees data structure. This course is for newbies who are interested in SQL and the ones who are not aware about SQL. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, SQL, a practical introduction for querying databases by Coursera. This course will help you in learning SQL. You will learn CRUD operations under this flexible course. Topics covered in this course are SQL, relational database and tables, intermediate SQL, real-world datasets, final project and exam, SQL, honors. You will learn how to analyze data with SQL. You will learn to create a relational database on the cloud, how to work with tables, how to write SQL statements with many options, how SQL techniques will help you in building more powerful queries. You can gain many skills under this course, like create, read, update, and delete, data analysis, MySQL, and SQL. This flexible course is for beginner level and for everyone who wants to be interested in SQL. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, the Structured Query Language, SQL, by Coursera. This course is all about SQL, its origins, its foundation, and SQL. Topics covered in this course are basic select statement, group functions, subtotals, and subqueries, multiple tables, DDL, and DML, SQL commands, advanced. You will learn SQL, its origins and regarding its historical basis. You will learn how to use standard SQL and syntax. You will learn SQL coding for data analysis stored in relational databases. If you want to learn about data analysis, click on the I button. You will also gain different skills, like data science, DBMS, database application, SQL, and database administration. This flexible course is for beginners. They provide a shareable certificate after the completion of this 100% online course. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, SQL full course by Simplilearn YouTube, free course. This SQL course is from beginners, where you can learn SQL using MySQL. You will learn top SQL interview questions. Topics covered in this course are: what is SQL? A diagram, installing MySQL built-in functions, group by and having joins, subquery, and triggers in SQL, SQL with Python, PostgreSQL, how to become a SQL developer. Interview questions. You will learn about the introduction of SQL, you will learn diagrams, under this course, how to install MySQL in Windows, you will learn about functions of MySQL, you will learn about joins, subquery, and triggers in SQL. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. 7th course SQL for Data Analysis by Class Central. Free course. This course is framed to clear structured query language. Topics covered in this course are SQL basics, SQL joins, SQL aggregation, subqueries, and temp tables, SQL data cleaning, window functions. You will learn ways to use logical operators and SQL commands, how to write inner joins and left joins. You will learn ways to write common aggregations in SQL. You will learn about common aggregations in SQL, case, data functions, and null values, how to access a table, and perform data cleaning. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.